Why AMCA needs two 110 kilonewtons engine thrust is required. Central to it. Development is the creation of a new engine in a specific manner. Designed to meet the unique needs of India operating environment. AMCA will be promoted. Two 110 kilonewtons thrust engine, which guarantee better thrust. Performance and reliability even in national conditions. Extreme conditions of heat and humidity. One of the most prominent features of AMCA is this. Super cruise capability, allowing it to maintain supersonic speed without activating the afterburners. A powerful 110 kilonewtons thrust is achieved through the class. Engines, designed to produce power for aircraft radar and avionics systems. However, the challenge lies in the fact that most countries' engine manufacturers do not design engines with AMCA required thrust-to-weight ratio specification. Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) to lead the development of a new engine designed for the AMCA program. This effort includes support with foreign original equipment manufacturers 0EM to ensure modern technology and reliability is one of the key aspects of the new engine design. Ability to perform well in hot and humid regions of India. Weather conditions, where temperatures can rise into the 50s degrees Celsius. Fighter jets operate in this region. In this environments, fighter jets lose about 10% of their efficiency. Strength, a major disadvantage in combat situations. To solve this problem, the AMCA engine will be specially designed. Endure these extreme conditions without compromised performance. An AMCA engine is not designed for current-only needs, but also keeping in mind the possibilities of future development. The engine will have a dry core thrust capacity of 75 kilonewtons, making sure it doesn't stress the bottom of the engine as well. The most urgent conditions. This ability, maintain aircraft super cruise and stealth performance, must have features for the 5th generation. Additionally, the engine will be designed with scalability in mind. The engine cover can be extended. They provide high dry and wet pushing performance, making it adaptable for future updates and variations. This flexibility ensures that AMCA remains at the forefront of technological advancement and combat, preparing for the coming years.